Hi. By the end of this video, you'll learn what questions you can ask to figure out the name of this major key signature. If this is not your first key signature video, try your best to think what the name of the key signature is before I reveal its name at the end. Watch a few more key signature videos and see if you can figure out the names of the key signatures on those videos faster and faster each time until you learn the process and no longer need a video to help you figure it out for yourself. Let's take a look at the key signature on the screen and get started with our first question. You can follow along using the treble clef staff or the bass clef staff, whichever is easier for you to learn with, since the process for naming a key signature is the same on any music clef. Okay, in this key signature, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different sharps. The first of two questions we need to ask ourselves is, what interval is a second higher than the last sharp in the key signature? This is the letter name of the key signature. So let's start first by finding that last sharp. There it is. And by looking to see what line or space runs through its center, we can see that this sharp's letter name is B, because the middle of the sharp is on the B line of the staff. To help us find a second higher than this, let's find this letter name on a piano keyboard. How about we use that B right there? There it is. Now, the distance between two different pitches in music is called an interval. So, to find the interval of a second higher, we count the music alphabet letter names in the correct order, or to the right on a piano. And in music, we always count the starting pitch as pitch number 1. So let's get counting. B is the first pitch, making C a second pitch higher. So an interval of a second higher than B is C. C is the letter name of the key signature. Now, since we're working with sharps in this key signature, some sharp key signature names also include the word sharp in their name, and sometimes they don't include the word sharp in their name. So before we can stop, let's ask ourselves the last question to see if the name of this key signature also includes the word sharp or not. Is that letter sharp one of the sharps in the key signature? So look at the sharps in the key signature again. We know the name of the last one is B, but what about the others? Is one of those a C sharp? If yes, then we also say the word sharp with the letter name. So if we find a C sharp in the other sharps, we need to call this key signature the key of C sharp. If no, and we don't find a C sharp in the other sharps, then we just say the letter name C without saying the word sharp with it. Can you find a C sharp in that key signature? Yes, there it is. And you can tell because it's on the C space of the staff. And since there's a sharp in the key signature, now we do also say the word sharp with this key signature name. Everybody, this is the key signature of C sharp major. Did you figure out the name before it was revealed? Try another key signature video with a different amount of sharps and see how you do. Thanks for watching.